The overall goal of this protocol is to examine the relationship between working memory processes and anxiety by combining the Sternberg Working Memory and threat of shock paradigms.
This method can help answer key questions about the relationship between anxiety and cognition.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be adapted to a variety of other cognitive tasks.
Begin by escorting the participant to the testing room. Prior to placing electrodes on the participant, clean the skin area. Place 2 disposable 11 mm silver chloride electrodes on the palm of the left hand about 2 cm apart to monitor skin conductance. Next, place 2 disposable 11 mm silver chloride electrodes on the inner wrist of the left hand about 3 cm apart to administer the electrical stimulation. Then, place 1 disposable 11 mm silver chloride electrode on the inside of the left arm just above the elbow and 1 disposable electrode just under the right clavicle to monitor the heart rate. Attach 2 4 mm silver chloride cup electrodes to the lower side of the left orbicularis oculi muscle to measure the startle response. Then, secure all electrodes with biomedical tape. Next, attach leads to the electrodes on the palm and plug them into the EDA channel of the psychophysiology monitoring hardware. Attach leads to the electrodes on the wrist.